Hi guys, Tim and John here again. Just gonna talk today about a modification I made for the controller. You know, when you turn it on, you will hear a beep, and actually with every switch you press down to, or you just flip it up or down, you just hear a beep, and I think it's a bit annoying. So I'll show you. Turn it on, you hear a beep. If you wanna change the diff locks, you hear it. So, I mean, if you're driving a military vehicle, you know, it almost sounds like Morse code, so maybe they like it. Like, maybe they transmit some kind of message as well. I don't know. But at the Camel Trophy we use CB radio, which is on the dashboard inside. And I just wanted to turn off this beep sound. So I made a little switch in here. As you can see underneath the red LED. So now it's on. I turn it off and I'll show you again. No beep sound anymore, as you can hear. So I'll open the controller to show you the inside, what I changed. So I just took all the screws out, just right here. All these screws, I took them out. And then you have to work it open. And then you will here have the whole panel. It just lifts out. And on the print there are 4 little screws. You can undo them and it will separate the print from, you know, the front plate. And then I made a little switch. I hope you can see it. Maybe I can adjust the camera a little bit. Maybe just like that. Just right. Just gonna move these wires. Just right there underneath. I glued it in with some hot glue. Right there, as you can see. And it has 2 wires. And on the back of the print there was the speaker. And it is this little speaker I glued in here. So I took the little speaker from the print. You know, if you want to desolder this little speaker, you need to be careful, you know, just gently, you know, heat those little contacts and then, you know, just wig it out a little bit with a knife blade or something like that, very carefully. And then of course I attach these wires to the little speaker. One just goes straight to the print, the black one, and the red one goes to the switch, and from the switch to the speaker. So that's actually it. Very easy. Take the speaker off, install a switch and place the speaker somewhere else. Just going to zoom in a little bit so you get the idea. It's a very tiny little speaker. On the back there are 2 pins which are soldered where now these 2 wires are there. So, you know, you just got to separate the print from the front lid. Very easy. You won't have any beep sound anymore. So, well, that's the video for today. Just wanted to show you the controller inside. Very basic, but it works good. So, yeah, I like the controller. Anyway, so the little switch there, you know, made an open gap for it, and then so you can, you know, switch the position of the switch. Alright, well, thank you for watching, like and subscribe, and see you the next time. Goodbye.